Welcome to the video, you guys. Today we're going to be playing Risk of Rain 2. Since last time I did so many other characters, today I'm going to do Commando because it's the only one I haven't done yet. We're only going to be able to fit one run in today, so maybe one or two. But that's all I've got time for today, so we'll try to fit that in. So we'll just do that today. Hit this guy a bunch of times. Okay, I'm going to try editing it in a different way today to make it slightly more fun. If I'm just going to find the teleporter or the thing, you know, all the stuff that I have to find, I will cut it out. So that way you guys maybe have a more fun time watching it. I don't know. Trying my best to get better at finding the stuff that we need to do, that I need to put in, and the stuff I don't. So I'll get better every time, and just leave me suggestions on how to get better and what you guys want to see in my gameplay in the comments / wherever. If you want to join my Discord, I guess I can leave it in the description. But hope you guys are all having a great day. I am. Except for the fact that I've had to record this twice. Because the first time I had no audio. Yeah. That was fun. At first I thought the question mark meant that I was just being bad. But I think the question mark means that or the question mark meant that I haven't seen it yet. Now I understand that it means that I have seen it. It's just random on the actual it's random there in the tripod thing. I don't know what to call it. The thing that gives you three choices. Thing that gives you three things. That. Yo, a large chest. Give me something good. Move fast out of combat. I like moving fast. What does it qualify as out of combat? I feel like this is a very good question. Oh, this is out of combat. Interesting. I like moving faster outside of combat. It means I had to cut less out. Okay, anyway. Oh, I will also not cut out the parts where I'm like getting stuff. Like getting things to make the run better. So if I'm just running around pretty much with just shooting bad guys, then I will cut those parts out. But not the parts where I'm like actually trying to do stuff. Oh, wrong thing. Attack speed, which does nothing if I can't aim. But I could aim, right? Right? Sure. I'll say I can aim for now. I can't really, but... What happens if you have multiple of these things? Does it just do the first one? No. I didn't want it to do that one. Okay, that's fine. Whatever. I need more health anyway. Oh, wow. Hello, dude. You just jumped a long ways. Yo, I got a red. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go find... Oh... That's real helpful. I did not understand what that meant, but I like it. I want to turn both of mine into these. More attack speed, please. And then we're going. Oh, I just realized that they, like, all the injections or whatever go in your thigh. This man is ready to go anywhere. He's never going to be in pain ever again. Dude, I am so close to dying. Okay. That was not needed to happen. I died. Okay. That was 5 minutes. I die very fast. Probably because I took all my attack speed stuff and turned it into something else. Let's try to do one bandit run. And then we will probably end it at this one. Depending on how well we do, of course. Depending on how well we do. I want that blue try thing in the corner. I really need some levels, so I'm just gonna kill some stuff real fast. Because this character feels a lot better when you can one-shot with the pistol thing. Okay. This gives me like rest heals after I take damage. I would like the heals whenever I take damage, please. Okay, and then we will grab this money, and then we will try. We'll try to do this. That may just have messed me up for the whole run, or for at least this part of the run. Because a lot of the time doing that gets me killed. Oh, I have 2 of those now. That's helpful. Fire a black hole? What? What does that do? Oh, they literally just stay farther away. Okay. Does it do damage? I couldn't really tell. I don't think it does. And if it does, it doesn't do enough damage for it to matter. Okay, we're gonna go to the boss, I think, now. Try to, anyway. Man, I just realized why I'm so good at this character. I don't have to aim. I don't have to aim to do anything. I can just kind of do it. Ah, I missed both of those. Ah, I missed again. Man, some days I play so well, and some days I really don't. Oh. That's kind of crazy. Didn't think I've done that much playing of this game, but I guess I have. Sprint speed. I don't need more speed, but I like having it. Dude, I'm so bad at this game. I just keep not hitting the shots. I just need to lower my expectations. I think that the thing's down there, right? Oh no, it's not. It's over there. It is down here somewhere. I found it. Oh no. Another one. Dude. I may turn the sensitivity down next time. Chance to stun on a hit and well, just 25. Oh. Oh wait, do I have healing globes? I just realized I do. So I just heal after taking damage after a bit, and then I also heal. Man, I thought I was bulky last time I played. I am way more bulky this time. I guess I'm behind it? I can't really tell. Oh, we died. Okay, cool. Well, that happened. I didn't do very well. Oh, I just got killed by a stone golem. That's amazing. That's great. Um, yeah, I think that'll be it for today. That'll be all for today. I'll see you guys next time.